So, hello. So, today we come up with a new video. This is a very cool stuff on which we are going to talk about today. So, whatsoever you are seeing right here in my screen, this is not mid journey. It just looks like mid journey, but it is not mid journey. So guess what? It's totally free and you can generate unlimited images with it on its free plan, and you just go to use it in the Discord like community like Midjourney, but there is no limitation to how many images you could make, and you can make some cool stuff like in this video, like you can make this kind of images, some funky images like this, some slightly less funky images like this. So you can make such these kind of images, and these are totally free. But before going forward, let me tell you the difference between Mid Journey and let me just tell you the competition, the potential mid-journey competitor by now have. If you're following our channel, then you're probably familiar with mid-journey and its capability of creating just how amazing AI wonders do. So there is a new tool in this town that just looks like mid-journey, but it is in the Discord community, and you can create variations and you can upscale your images, and everything works the same way except mid journey to work, because here it is a tool called Bluewillow and it works the same way, but it is in a Discord community, and you would use one of his rookie channels, like you can say this. There is a four rookie rooms available right now. You can select any random rookie number depending on the traffic, less traffic any rookie rooms have. Then you have to create a prompt by typing your images, and then you will get your images. So what is the difference between Midjourney and Bluewillow? So Bluewillow doesn't use the same Midjourney training model, so you're not going to get any of the images that just looks like what you would get out of the mid journey. It's going to create a kind of a totally different style of images. This is trained on various stable diffusion models. The way it supposedly work, there's a whole bunch of different models trained into Bluewillow, and based on your prompt, Bluewillow bot is going to figure out which model is the best model for the use case that you put into it. So now let's just, before creating a prompt, let's just take a peek at the Bluewillow FAQ section. Let's just go to the FAQ section. You can see that how to use our AI to create images. There's some basic command, like I told you. You have to go one of the rookie channels, then you have to type imagine, and then your prompt. In your prompt, you have to type your imagination. Then we have to wait between 10 to 16 seconds, and then our image will be generated in the same channel. So let's just take an example by going to the prompt FAQ. Now let's just check. Let's just scroll up to the most. Here, yes. So you can see the example, like you have to type imagine prompt and then your imagination, like they are imagining watercolor painting of a cat, and you have to write dash dash no, that is a negative command which you have seen like that. Then you have to type the dimension, like dimension of the picture you want to have. We are writing 3D dimension, and then there is a dash dash AR 3 ratio 2, that is an expect ratio. It is the same like in mid journey. So let's just copy it right now. Now we will go one of our rookie rooms. Let's say where is the less traffic available. I think let's go to the rookie number 43. There is some less traffic. Then we will create our prompt by going into this plus icon. Then we will prompt it. And then let's imagine a cute color painting of a monkey. Okay, and we are putting negative command 3D dimension and aspect ratio 3 ratio 2. So let's just enter it. So likewise, we have to wait for 10 to 16 seconds for our prompt to get generated. You can see that this is a public community. People are writing their prompts. You can aspire by their prompting. You can aspire by their imagination and can check what you can imagine. So this is a quite big advantage for you to see. People are imagining small metric sphere in the sky. So this is like you should understand, you have to write in your imagination a bunch lot of details so that your image, it will help your prompt to get the image which you want to have. So yes, we got our prompt, uh, cute watercolor painting of a monkey that is in a 3D dimension, which in aspect ratio 3 ratio 2. So let's just see our first image. This is how our prompt looks like. The first picture is bit stretched and is a, but we can see ears and everything, but bit stretched. In the second picture, it is bit zoom in. We can see the features of the monkey very well, but this is bit zoom in. The third image is um bit funky. The fourth image is the image which I like the most in all of these four pictures. I like the first picture, but I'm not happy with it. So what we will do, we will create the variations of the first picture and let's just upscale the fourth image. So let's just click on the U4 button because this is the image which I found the best in this four picture. And let's create the variation of the first picture. So we'll go on number corresponding to the feature which we want to apply, V for variation, and the number is 1. Now let's just scroll down. So yes, here we got our upscale picture. This is our upscaling of the fourth picture. Let me just open it in the browser. So I really like this picture, it's the best picture. Now I will download this picture with written mon, and now this picture is mine. I have saved this picture in my gallery. Now this picture is mine. I can use it where I want to use this picture. Now we will go back and check the variation of the first picture. So let's just scroll down. Yes, here we found the variation of the first picture. We have four picture. Now you can see this pictures has tried to be a better looking than the one we had before. So in this four picture, we have to select the best out of these four pictures. So in the first picture, you can see the eye color of the monkey is like blur, and there is also less detail, present in the first picture. I like the second picture, not stretched, less funky. Yeah, and in the third picture, you can see the background color is bit dark, and in the fourth picture, you can see the change of color of the ear in the monkey. So I think I'm very happy with the second picture. So let's just upscale the second picture. Now let's just go down and see the scaling of the second picture. Yeah, so this is how a prompt looks like by upscaling the second picture. Now I'll open this picture in the browser and I will download it. And now I can use this picture is mine. I can use this picture. So this is how, you can create your pictures by using your imagination, and you will create wonders. So you just need to play with your writing in your imagination. You need to make sure you will mention a lot of details while writing your prompt. You can see that how people are writing. You can see that cute full length chef girl in uniform, cartoon illustration, Pixar style, white background. So they mention every details. Then they are getting this kind of a pictures. This is also an advantage by seeing this. One more question people have came in their mind while using this Discord community, like, is it paid or free? So let me tell you guys, this is free of cost, and you can create unlimited prompts by using this Bluewillow. So you can create as many prompts as you want. So I really feel you found this video helpful, because this is really a cool stuff which I have came across while exploring some cool AI tools. In the next video, I will tell you some other cool stuff, some other cool AI tool. So I really think you found this video helpful. So thank you for watching.